I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are working on a beautiful project called Tahoe Quilt Along. We have been quilting together, we have so much fun, and we're almost to the end of our journey, making today a diamond number 23. We only have one diamond left after this one, and we're gonna be done with all our diamonds, and all that we're gonna have left is one more get together when we put the quilt together. I am so excited for you guys. Look at this diamond number 23. Isn't that beautiful? This diamond is made from 4 sets of strips, and I have the strip sets prepared in front of me. I already made them following the basic directions. This top strip set that I have right here is just made with 2 strips that are 2.5 and 2.5. The next one is made with 3 strips, 2 that are 1.5, 1.5, and 2.5. And this one has 4, and this one has 4 as well. Look at, I always make my strip sets. I press them from the front, from the back. I open my seams. I follow the basic directions that I shared with you in our first video. And if you are new to this event, guess what? You can join us today. Just watch our videos, the housekeeping, start making the blocks one after the other, and you're still gonna have a beautiful quilt. And I'm gonna leave all the informations on our blog, on our website, and on our YouTube channel, so you can join us anytime you wanna, and anytime you need a little help with Tahoe pattern or Tahoe design, you can go ahead and look at those videos and get that extra help. For today, I already have cut my sets, and I cut them at 1.5 inch. I'm gonna place them front of me so that way you guys get to see it. I always do that when I line things up front of my sewing machine. I check my colors, make sure that everything is fine, and then I start piecing. I'm gonna select those 2 pieces and those 2 pieces. I'm gonna use chain sewing. I'm gonna place them right sides together, and I'm gonna repeat this 8 times because total I need 8 diamonds 22. I'm gonna pin it right there where the fabric transition from diamond to diamond. Can you see right there? It's a very important point, and we have done this multiple times. I matched it up, I flipped it over just like this, matched the fabric, then I went ahead, I put a pin right there in that point, then I put a pin right front of it and right back here. Double check if this is a 1/4 inch. You can take a ruler and you can measure. Make sure you include your pin in the measurements of a 1/4 inch, because when you lay a thread here, that thread needs room to lay. Okay, so that way when you open your pieces, they're indeed the size that you need them to be. Then I'm gonna go ahead, put another pin here and here, start stitching from the top, and keep going like this 8 times to complete all those units. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with these units right here. This time I have 2 points that I need to match, so I'm gonna put a pin, match, pin it, and stitch it. As soon as I finish, I'm gonna sew those all 4 together, just like I did it right here for you. The next step, always make sure that all the seams are beautifully open, that everything lays nice and flat, and you are super proud of your block. If anything went wrong, just let us know. And the best is to send us a picture from the front and from the back of your block, so that way I can see it, and send us a picture on a cutting board, so that way I see how your block look comparing to a measurements. Now, I have this cute little Tahoe ruler. This is something, it's only available through Laundry Basket Quilts. This is one of my low designs, and I made it because I love checking my diamonds, because right now I could check this diamond and make sure that it's perfect, so that way when I'm sewing all diamonds together, I'm not having problems, and my quilt will lay nice and flat. I'm so excited for you guys. You're making beautiful blocks. We're on diamond 23, like I said, and all that we have to do is just one last diamond, and I look forward to diamond 24 with you. And then we're going to be putting our blocks together, our diamonds together, to a gorgeous Tahoe quilt. Happy quilting, and make sure if you're taking pictures of your progress, post them and show us those pictures on Instagram by tagging them with either @laundrybasketquilts or hashtag Tahoe Quilt Alone, because I'm going to be going through those pictures and I'm going to choose a winner for a beautiful, beautiful backing for your quilt. So happy quilting, and I hope you're having a lot of diamond fun.